Hi friends, welcome to Trend AI today. I am Dr. Naeem and today we learn about create and verify your Google business profile in 2025. Imagine this. A customer searches for a business just like yours on Google, but instead of finding you, they find your competitor. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create and verify your Google business profile step by step. This will help your business appear on Google Search and Maps, so customers can find you quickly and easily. Plus, I'll share some pro tips to make your profile stand out. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up a Google account. Before we start, you need a Google account to create a Google business profile. If you already have a personal Gmail account, that's great, but it's better to create a separate account just for your business. This keeps things organized and professional. Here's how to create a new Google account for your business. Go to accounts.google.com, click on Create an Account, choose For My Business, enter your name and date of birth, pick a Gmail address, or use a non-Gmail email, set a strong password and complete the setup. Once your account is ready, we move to the next step, creating your Google business profile. Step 2. Creating your Google business profile. Now that you have a Google account, let's set up your Google business profile. Go to google.com/business, click Sign In, and use the account you just created. Search for your business name. If your business already exists in Google's database, you'll see it in the results. Select it and click Manage Now to claim it. If your business is not listed, click Create a New Business and continue. Step 3. Choosing your business type. At this stage, you'll need to select the type of business you run. Google offers 3 options. Local store or office. Customers visit your business, e.g., salons, restaurants, gyms, law firms. Service-based business. You travel to customers, e.g., plumbers, electricians, home tutors. Online business. You operate completely online, e.g., digital marketing services, e-commerce. Choose the one that fits your business model, then click Next. Pro tip: if you run a physical store and also offer home services, you can select both options. Step 4. Adding business information. Now, you'll need to enter some important details. Business name. This should match your official name to avoid confusion. Business category. Type your service, and Google will suggest the best match. Example: hair salon, plumber, coffee shop. Address. For physical stores, enter your street address, city, and zip code. Service areas. For service-based businesses, if you visit customers instead of having a fixed location, enter the areas you serve, up to 20 locations. Phone number and website. Add your contact details so customers can call you or visit your website. Pro tip: use location names instead of zip codes for service areas. People search using city names, not zip codes. Once done, click Next to proceed. Step 5. Business verification. Most important step. Your business won't appear on Google until you verify it. Google does this to ensure only real businesses get listed. Here are the main verification methods. Phone verification. Google will call or text you with a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your business. Postcard verification. Google will send a postcard to your business address. Once you receive it, in 5 to 10 days, enter the 5-digit code to verify. Video verification. New and important. This is now the most common method for businesses. Google will ask you to record a one-shot video showing your store location, street sign, nearby businesses, your business setup, interior, tools, products, proof that you own or manage the business, unlocking your store, showing business documents. For service-based businesses, show branded vehicle or tools, a business card, or invoice your workspace or software you use. Pro tip: keep your video 1 to 2 minutes long and plan it in advance to avoid mistakes. Step 6. Adding business details. Now that your business is verified, let's optimize your profile so it gets more visibility. Add high-quality photos. Google says businesses with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more website clicks. Upload real images of your products, services, staff, and location. Avoid stock photos. Customers trust authentic pictures. Set your business hours, add your working hours so customers know when you're available. Don't list 24/7 hours unless you're truly open all the time. Google may suspend your listing. Enable messaging. Optional customers can contact you via Google Business Messages. Turn this off if you can't reply quickly, as slow responses may disable the feature. Write a business description. Think of this as your About Us section. Keep it clear and engaging. What services/products do you offer? What makes your business unique? How long have you been in business? Avoid using promotional language, contact details, or stuffing keywords. This won't help rankings. Step 7. Keeping your profile active. Your Google Business Profile isn't set and forget. Keep it updated to stay ahead of competitors. Post updates and offers, share promotions, news, and events. Respond to reviews, thank customers, and address concerns politely. Answer questions, engage with potential customers. Regularly add photos and videos. Fresh content boosts engagement. Pro tip: profiles that stay active get more visibility on Google Maps. Final step: you're all set. Your Google Business Profile is now live. You can manage it anytime through Google Search or the Google Business App bonus. Want to take your profile to the next level? Watch my advanced Google Business Profile optimization video, linked in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.